Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something important: how to fill out an inmate visitation form for 2025. If you have a loved one behind bars, this guide will make the process smoother and less stressful. Let's get started. First off, why does this matter? Visiting an inmate isn't just about seeing them, it's about maintaining connections during tough times. But before you can step foot in that facility, you need to nail this form. Remember, forms can vary by state or facility, so always check the latest 2025 guidelines on the official prison website. Step 1. Gather your information. You'll need your full legal name, date of birth, address, phone number, and your relationship to the inmate. Don't forget a valid ID, like a driver's license or passport, as you might need to submit a copy. Next, locate the form. Most prisons provide it online through their Department of Corrections website. Once you have it, start with the basics. Section 1 is usually for visitor details. Fill in your personal info accurately. Double check for any typos, as mistakes can delay approval. Moving on, Section 2 often covers the inmate's information. Enter their full name, inmate ID number, and the facility they're in. This ensures everything matches their records. If there's a section for visitation preferences, like dates or times, be realistic and check the facility's schedule. Now, for the tricky parts. Some forms require a background check consent or a declaration that you're not prohibited from visiting. Sign and date where indicated, and if there's a spot for additional visitors, list them clearly. A quick tip for 2025. Many forms are going digital, so look for e-submission options to speed things up. Common pitfalls to avoid? Incomplete forms or outdated info. Always verify rules as they might have changed. Once submitted, wait for approval, which could take a few weeks. If denied, don't panic. Reach out to the facility for clarification. There you have it. Filling out that form doesn't have to be overwhelming. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical guides. Stay strong, and thanks for watching.